I'm Jason Akers. Welcome back to Rocky Knob Farm and our YouTube channel. Today we're just going to show you some things that we're doing on the farm. We had to deliver a tractor we'd been working on, and we figured while we were out we'd pick up our ton of hog feed that had came in. I'm waiting here on Tanner to get out of the way so I can put the feed in our feed building. Tanner and Jacob took a break to help with the feed. They've been fencing in a lot for the bottle calves. Our chicken manure dried out real good. Here we're putting some of it in the high tunnel. Bucky and Dalmatian are doing much better. We've been trying to walk them about every day. The pigs are doing wonderful. Here they are enjoying that new hog feed that I just went and picked up.
I'm Jacob Keith and I'm filling in for Farmer Finn today. They sure laid a lot of eggs.
Farmer Finn's a big set of shoes to fill, but Jacob did a good job. We got 22 eggs for Tab to wash this evening. Dinky and Frank were sure ready for their supper.
Jason and Tammy for neighbors. You never know what's going to be going on when I come up
Okay. Everybody likes to hear Dinky bray. Here you go. Yeah, that's a good girl.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.